It's coming, it's coming. It's coming.
Please don't panic, don't panic. No panicking at all.
After a wonderful drive to Bandipur Tiger Reserve in our own car, we were very excited about the safari on the following day. But now, it was time to relax at MC Resorts.
We have tea and biscuits and the whole arrangement. And this is Chetan. Chetan, hi, video.
Very nice long drive.
Idea sakkatagiತ್ತು. Very nice.
Thank you so much, Chetan.
Starts the bonfire setup.
ಇಲ್ಲ ನೀಕೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ ನೀಕೆ ಕಾಯಕ್ಕೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ
ಅದು ಹೌದು ಆದರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಊಟ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸೂಪರ್ ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್
This is my desert number 2.
Yeah, please don't do that. Please don't spoil my custard. Don't do that. It's It's 6:30 a.m. Oh, sorry, it's not. It's like 6:05 a.m. and we're all set to embark on our safari here in Bandipur. So we're just waiting to be transported from our resort in this canter to the actual one at the government safari campus. And yeah, we're just waiting. And there's that beautiful, handsome German Shepherd. We didn't get your name, sorry. Manju. I'm Amrita, he's Ankit.
Hi, Manju.
Like 6 o'clock they have to open the check post.
That's
they
why
block
the
road.
rush. I was just going to ask you, what is this jam for? What is the jam for? I mean, like, the whole...
9 p.m. to 6 a.m. This road will be closed. Yeah, morning 6 a.m. they will open the check post.
Oh, so we have to wait. Okay, or not.
ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸೈಡ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ.
We recommend you carry a pair of binoculars to enhance your safari experience. The one you see we are using is a small pocket binocular which was lent to us generously by this couple from New Zealand who was also staying at MC Resorts. Bandipur Tiger Reserve is a beautiful treat for all your senses. A big reason for this is because Bandipur Tiger Reserve is a plastic free zone. All efforts are taken to keep it clean, and we request anyone visiting to please contribute to this effort. Say no to plastic, say no to littering.
ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಕಪ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. There's a crested serpent eagle on the tree. On the tree. Crested serpent eagle.
Oh, here it is. Oh, you can see this.
Our guide was told by a forest officer about the recent tiger sightings around the pond areas, so we went on looking for a tiger in all the possible ponds around.
Yeah, that's basically the mud.
Enjoying the morning snack. It's coming.
Please don't panic. Please don't panic. No panicking at all.
In a desperate quest to see a tiger, we started checking all the water bodies in the tiger reserve, hoping that we see a tiger soon. And just like that, 3 hours were over. Unfortunately, we did not see a tiger this time. And it was time to head back. Even though we did not see a tiger, we thoroughly enjoyed the Bandipur trip, and what made it even more beautiful was this rainbow towards the end. And with that, it's a wrap. Bandipur is definitely one of the best weekend getaway destination that you should explore. I had so much of fun. In fact, we had so much of fun recording this for you guys. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Please visit Bandipur. Check out the MC Resort. The hospitality is very, very good. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned with us for more video. Please share this video with whoever is visiting Bandipur. Thanks for your support. Travel and More will keep bringing videos for you. Please like, share, and subscribe.